Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify with eBay in 2025 for seamless integration.
If you're running an online store, linking these two platforms can save you a ton of time by letting you manage inventory and sales all in one place.
This setup is especially useful for sellers who want to expand their reach without manually updating stock or orders across multiple platforms. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the bottom left corner, click on Settings. On the Settings page, look for Apps and Sales Channels and click on it. This is where you can manage and add new functionality to your store. Using apps from this section allows you to scale your business efficiently without needing technical coding knowledge. Next, select Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type EDAY. From the results, choose Shopify Marketplace Connect. This app is built to connect your Shopify store with eBay quickly and efficiently. Click on it to view the details, then hit Install. When prompted, confirm the installation and the app will be added to your Shopify dashboard. Pro tip, always check the app reviews and update notes to ensure compatibility with the latest Shopify version. Once installed, head to the Connected App section. Locate Shopify Marketplace Connect and select the option to set up your eBay connection. Click Connect Account and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll log into your eBay account and authorize the connection. Make sure you grant the necessary permissions so that Shopify can manage products, inventory, and orders on your behalf. After authorization, Shopify and eBay will be fully linked.
You'll now be able to sync your products, manage orders, and handle inventory across both platforms with ease. This integration can help prevent overselling, reduce manual errors, and save hours of administrative work each week. And that's it.
You've successfully connected Shopify with eBay. This simple setup will help streamline your operations and give you more control over your multi-channel selling. For best results, regularly check your synced listings and consider using automation features within the app, like automatic stock updates or order notifications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for more tips to grow your online business. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and leave a comment below letting me know if you want a tutorial on automating multi-channel listings or managing eBay orders more efficiently.